Okay, welcome back. The final content piece that we're going to discuss in this particular video is right here, and this is a full screen, a block that can be used with color or image, and it's just a full screen with a header and some text. So when we drop that into our Mobirise editor, and this is what we have. You see a nice block here, and we have a heading, and we have some text here. And what we can do is go over to our block parameters, and we have a few things turned on and off here. You can choose to show or to hide the title. You can choose a subtitle, so you can enter a little bit of text right here. So you'd have a title and some subtext, and then you can choose to show or hide the text, and you can choose to show or hide a button. And whenever you have a background image, it always gives you the option of using parallax for that. So if you show your button, you can see how that just automatically stretches down there. And you can also choose to use just a background color with white text. That obviously is not going to be good, but you could use something not quite so harsh. And so that would be a nice big block of color that you could use to call something out, or as a way to feature something or some information or a call to action. You can also use, when you're using a background image, it almost always gives you the option to put an overlay. So this is just the image itself without an overlay. You can also choose the overlay, you can choose the color, and you can choose the intensity of that overlay. If you choose a background video, you get similar options of an overlay, the opacity for the overlay, and then when you open this here in the browser and you preview it, this is actually going to automatically begin playing in the background. So let's leave it as a color, and then we can see it as it is on the front side. So we have our nice big block of color with our text and our header and our subheader. So that is the last and final of the content blocks listed under content over here. We have the 4 across or 3 across or 6 across here, and then we have the same thing here. These two are very similar blocks because they're just configured differently. And then this block here, we have a nice big full width left to right text block that you can use. Next, we're going to go down and we're going to cover some of the article sections. Now, these are going to be a little bit redundant, but these are specifically laid out to create more of an article or a blog type of structure for your website. So join me for that one, and we'll see you next time.